Welcome to my channel. This is Elisha. In this video, I'll actually be showing you where you can actually source the ideas on the next video that you can post. If you've been feeling like you've run out of ideas on what content to create, well, I need to indicate to you that YouTube has actually made it very easy for YouTubers to generate ideas on the next content that they'll need to actually create. So now where do you have to get this? So this is the YouTube channel dashboard and I'm logged in, right? So that's what you're gonna do, and then the next thing you need to do is you click content. As after you click content, you will see these tabs sitting on top here. There is sports, live, posts, playlists, podcast, promotions. Click this one here, labeled as inspiration. And YouTube will actually show you some samples of, topics that you can actually focus on so as to create the next content. So check out, this is the first one here. They're saying survival skills from extreme animals. Okay, so that you need to work hand in hand with the inspiration tab as well as chat GPT. Okay, you can also make use of Nova. So here we have this idea saying how to attract your ideal partner. So all these topics are actually generated on grounds of what you've been posting. YouTube is able to detect what you've been posting, and it's able to generate topics that align with what you've been posting, and it will actually show you what is likely to attract viewers, or it will show you the topics that may have, or that may actually have so many views depending on what you have been posting. So look at this. So they're saying survival skills from extreme animals. So the interest is medium. If I were to post this video on my channel, it would actually have some views, but it wouldn't have high views or many views. Okay, then this one, how to attract your ideal partner, very low interest. You see that? So you can actually pick from here, but artificial intelligence might not be precise. It might actually it may not give you the exact ideas, or it may not depict things correctly. It might say the audience surrounding your channel might not have high interest, but you need to know that YouTube actually goes beyond the community members of your channel. There are other people on YouTube that may actually fall in, those that might be interested in whatever you might actually upload. So if you feel you want to make a further study, you can actually click in this box which is here. You simply go like animals, right? Animals, just like that. Then you click create ideas. Okay, check out. So this artificial intelligence tool or feature has actually brought up these other ideas. Animal moms, surprising parenting styles. Then there's this other one, animals you never knew existed. And it's actually showing, it's indicating the probability of these contents performing well or not performing well. So here they're saying very low interest. What happens when animals get high? Very low interest, right? So if I were to post a video, I would expect very low, interest from the community of my channel. Check this one out. The most beautiful animal sounds in the world. And it's showing that this would actually trigger so much curiosity in the people that happen to be members of my community of this channel. So what I'll do is I'll go by this one, since according to what I'm seeing here, this video might be able to do much or far better than all these that I'm seeing here. So I'll simply click on this one, and then it will generate the title. Then it also bring out an outline here. So the beauty of nature is often found in its sounds. This video compiles the most captivating animal sounds from around the globe, showcasing the incredible diversity of our planet's wildlife. So you can check, this one has already been, you see, you don't need to struggle when it comes to generating thumbnails, because the moment an idea is generated, even a thumbnail is generated for you. So all you have to do is to right click a thumbnail and then you click save, and then you say animals, so that you're able to trace it wherever it shall be. So I've saved it as animals. And then from here, what I'll do is this. I will check on these other titles and then compare it with the title that I have on top there. So listen to the earth sing, a journey through breathtaking animal sounds and tamed melodies, discover the beauty of animal vocalizations. So which one seems to be the most captivating? You need to realize that a title as well as the thumbnail, these are the most captivating features of a video. A title as well as the thumbnail are the things that make people click your video. So you have to be very, very picky when it comes to choosing the title, and you have to take your time. So I'm gonna go with the first one. I think this one is the most captivating. Say the most beautiful animal sounds in the world. Okay, let's check. Listen to the earth sing, a journey through breathtaking animal soundscapes. I'm gonna go with the first one. So what I'll do is I will copy the title as well as the outline. Now this isn't done, so what I'll do is I'll copy everything, then head on to ChatGPT. Then I'm gonna say create instructions to feed in video to feed in video AI to create a video based on the pieces of information, below. Okay, then I'm gonna hit colon, then shift enter so as to space up that, then control V. I've pasted the pieces of information I copied from YouTube. Then I'm gonna click shift enter, and then I'm gonna instruct ChatGPT to instruct in video AI to use non-copyrighted pieces of music. So I'm gonna go like instruct, okay, let's say finish up the missing pieces of information, then full stop, instruct in video AI to use non-copyrighted pieces of music. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna hit enter. So here we go. ChatGPT is doing the final touches. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so here we go. It has generated the title saying the most beautiful animal sounds in the world. Aim for 2 to 3. So this video will go up to 3 minutes. So introduction. If you want, you can actually type in at the bottom there. You say extend the video to 5, 6 minutes or 9 minutes. Okay, so or you can leave it just like this. So it's from jungles to oceans, diverse soundscapes, 30 to 40 seconds. So these are the instructions. I'll simply copy and then head on to InVideo AI and paste the instructions therein. So I'm going to start with the title. Scroll down and make sure I highlight everything. Then copy that. Then I'm going to head on to InVideo AI. And then I'm gonna hit create new, then paste in the instructions there, and then hit generate. And InVideo AI will create a video. All right, so once it's generated, this is what you're gonna see. If you have paid for the for one of those plans which are there, then you go by generative media, and when you go by this one, it will have no watermark. But the good thing is you can as well create a video with some stock media. So you can hit continue, and when the video is completely generated, you'll be able to export it and it will be on your device, and then you upload it to YouTube. That's how we do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with other people. Remember, sharing is caring.